Hi guys. Hi guys. So today I thought I'd show you how I do my nails. I know a few of you have requested that I show you how I do them. I sort of showed you in my Vlogmas video, but not like in detail. I've done one hand and I sort of messed it up, but it's okay, we've got the other hand. Do is I'll just show you how I do it and then I'll speed up the bits that take a while. First, what I'm going to do is file my nails, as in like I'm going to buff them so that the surface isn't, I don't know how to explain this. I'm not a nail technician, just FYI. I just do my nails because I find it fun. So this is the view you're going to be getting for a bit, okay? Is that okay? First things first, you need to pick out some nail tips. I've already done that, they are here, so I need to glue these nail tips onto my nails. Okay, so what I want to do now is trim these nails down because they're too long. So I'm just going to trim these down with my nail clipper. It's just, okay, about that much. They might be a bit shorter than the other ones. Ah, crap. Now you want to file them down like no one's business. So I'm going to do that now. Now I want to put this base coat on my nails. So we're just going to spread this on. Cure it in my cute little heart light. So now we want to use this base 1 UV gel builder. It's super sticky and horrible and annoying, but that's just what you get with gel, I'm afraid. This brush that I got in a set from eBay for like £1, it does the job. So you just want to dip into your gel and do one layer, cure it, and then I'll do another layer and cure it again. Layer 2. I have cured them twice and done 2 layers. I'm going to file and file and file and file and file and file until they're the right shape for me. So now I'm happy with the shape. I'm going to put some of this top gel on and cure it again. Right, so now that they've cured and they're all good, I'm going to paint them. So I want to do blue, but I can't pick between these two. They're both Barry M. I think I'm going to use this one. Use this nail varnish by Barry M. I'm not sure what the name is. I can't really find a name, but that's the number on it anyway. It's a really pretty colour. Whoa, that's close. Whee! There we have it. That's how I do my nails. I think they turned out pretty nice. Obviously it's not going to be as nice as when you go to the salon to get it done, but I think they turned out pretty good. They're going to last me about 2 weeks. I'll probably get bored of the square shape and I'll probably change it to like a pointy shape. I don't know. I get bored very easily. Here are the nails. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My handle is AliceRoseGL, and leave comments on videos you'd like me to do. You guys wanted to see this video, so I thought I'd make it. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this face, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.